The massage ball exercise for the trapezius helps release muscle tightness and tension in your upper back and shoulders caused by poor posture or stress. Here's how to do it correctly. Stand with your back next to a wall or lie flat on your back on the floor. Place the massage ball between your upper trapezius and the wall or floor. If you have access to 2 massage balls, you can also hit both sides at the same time. Gently lean your body weight into the massage ball, pressing it into the muscle. Start with mild pressure to avoid discomfort. Slowly move your body up and down or side to side, letting the massage ball roll over the trapezius muscle. Focus on any tight or sore spots, pausing on knots for deeper pressure. For variation, you can raise or lower your arm to stretch different sections of the trapezius as you apply pressure with the massage ball. Maintain pressure on the massage ball for 20 to 30 seconds, especially on the trigger points, until you feel the tension release. Breathe deeply and relax as you massage the muscles. If you feel intense pain, reduce the pressure or take breaks. Switch to the other trapezius and repeat the same steps to release tension on both sides. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.